Custer County Sheriff says those victims were involved in a property dispute with the suspected killer. Court documents reviewed by our KRDO 13 Investigates team reveal the disagreement had lasted years. KRDO 13 investigator Quinn Ritzdorf is live to explain the disagreement that turned deadly. Quinn.
The Custer County Sheriff Rich Smith says Hanmi Clark killed 3 of his neighbors over a property dispute. And according to court documents, Clark and his suspected girlfriend owned Herbal Gardens Wellness here in rural Custer County. And for years, neighbors used an access road that cut through that business property to get to their homes, which Clark tried to fight in court. The lawsuit filed by Herbal Gardens Wellness and Hanmi Clark says his Custer County neighbors don't have the right to use that access road that cuts through his property. They claim when this happens, it disrupts their business, which according to the website is rehabilitation and medicine for those with PTSD. Clark and his girlfriend claim the neighbors harassed them when they were using the easement. But in counterclaims, neighbors say Clark harassed them and they have had the legal right to use the easement since 2016. Sheriff Rich Smith says these property disputes happen daily in his county, but none have ever turned deadly like this.
The lines aren't as formal as they would be in the big city, and so there's a lot of this has to be straightened out in the civil courts to figure out where the property lines are and who has these easements.
A judge ruled back in 2022 that the neighbors could continue to use the easement. And according to this judgment, the business had to pay those neighbors more than $8,000. Herbal Gardens Wellness and Clark appealed that decision, and earlier this year, a judge dismissed that appeal. Reporting live in Custer County, Quinn Ritzdorf, KRDO 13 Investigates.